How to turn off the touchpad on your laptop. For many years, the touchpad has served as the de facto laptop pointing device. Touchpads are useful when you don't want to carry around another pointing device because they are built into a laptop. Some users favor the sensation of a touchpad above all else, even when a mouse or another pointing device is available. Nevertheless, touchpads still obstruct your path occasionally. Whether you adore them or just tolerate them, it's typical to accidentally send the pointer flying across the screen when using the touchpad of a laptop while typing on the keyboard. However, there's a way to stop that so you don't have to put up with it. The good news is that modern laptop makers have made an effort to deal with the problem right away. Look around the laptop's edge for the hardware switch that some notebooks include for turning the touchpad on and off. The computer may also come with a keyboard shortcut that turns off the touchpad by hitting Fn and F7 at the same time. Or it can just be as simple as pressing a certain spot on the touchpad. For details, consult the manual for your laptop. Another way to do this is just by clicking the search icon from the Windows taskbar. Just write the touch bar on the search bar. Click on Touch Bar Settings. Here you have the Enable or Disable Touch Bar. If you wish to disable the touch bar, just click on this button. Before turning off the touchpad, make sure you have a different pointing device handy, as you will no longer have access to the mouse pointer of the computer without a mouse. This is how you disable the touch bar on Windows. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.